Thump it on the floor so she sees you. Get your attention.
She bit me for it.
Yeah, well, she's just after the ball. You gotta be faster. You gotta roll faster.
Hey, get over here.
You can't just keep thumping. Once she looks, you need to let it go. Oops, got in your way. She didn't see it. There she goes.
She thought it was mine. Come. Good.
Back up a little bit. Boy, she's a live wire tonight. There we go. There we go. Let her pick it up too.
You just all over them. Come. Wrong toy.
Let's try rolling the ball.
Okay.
Gotta get her attention with it though first.
I'm here.
Get her attention. You're a mess. You're a mess.
Look right here. Hey. What you doing back there? What you doing back there? You're not supposed to go back there. I'm supposed to get you.
Get the squeaky again and squeak it here. Play with it, not the other toy. She's not.